Hello everyone, I'm Amy. In today's video, I'll answer some common questions about our machining capabilities. What's the largest part size you can produce? Our maximum part size is currently 3000 times 2200 times 1100 millimeters. But this can be varied depending on the part's complexity. How many machines do you have? We are proud that the number of the machines is one of our strengths. There are 144 sets of machines, including 122 sets of CNC machines, 47 of which are 5-axis CNC milling machines, great for complex parts, 4 lathes, 60 sheet metal machines, and 2 laser cutters. What's more, with our supply chain, we offer service like metal die casting and 3D printing, totally over 1,000 machines. We can handle any CNC milling, turning, sheet metal, or any other projects you need. What other process can you do besides CNC milling? Besides CNC milling, we offer CNC turning, sheet metal fabrication, overmold, 3D printing, injection molding, and die casting, and so on. We also provide surface treatment like anodizing, plating, sandblasting, polishing, engraving, silkscreen, and electric plating. You can share your drawing and project requirements, and our engineer will recommend the best process. Do you use different machines for different material? Yes, for example, steel and aluminum parts are processed on separate machines. Steel requires more robust equipment, so we use specialized spindle and tools. Medical plastic parts are produced in a clean room environment with dedicated equipment, dry machining to avoid contamination, meeting ISO 13485 standards. Are your sheet metal parts made in-house? Yes, we have an in-house sheet metal workshop with a professional team. Our sheet metal equipment includes large laser machines, bending machines, riveting machines, and so on. Can you handle large orders? We can flexibly adjust our production plans based on customer needs, provide capacity load report, and customize production schedules with multiple production lines. Feel free to contact us to discuss your project needs, and our engineers will provide the best solutions. Let us know how we can assist you further.